About a year ago, I bought a little piece of property out in the middle of nowhere, very rustic. I wanted to bring just a little bit of home comfort. That's what's inside this shed. Let's take a look. This is a very basic 6x8 shed. I bought it rough with no finish. I put a coat on the outside just to help it last a little bit longer. Turn the inside into kitchen, storage, bathroom. This whole unit is one big piece. It's a wet bar that I bought for like $100 off of the Facebook. So I've got storage in here, everything you need for cooking, cleaning. One of the biggest challenges was getting water. And for a long time, I would just put a tank up here, but it took up most of the counter space. So this is a rechargeable battery-powered pump. And that is plugged in down here to this 5-gallon tank that was $5 at the Walmart. The plumbing just dumps into this bucket. So I can wash dishes, wash hands, do whatever. Just trying to utilize as much space as possible. So hung the pots and pans, cups and plates are up top. Got a little butane stove here. Cooler. There's my fridge. First aid kit, got to have one of those. Big ass thermometer. Yeah, it's chilly out. Now this over here, when people first come down here, they go, what the heck is that? This is a shower curtain hiding the bathroom and the storage. So basic shelving over there, everything I would need for camp, tools, shovels, rakes. And this right here, this here is a custom turlet. I made this using a kit that comes with a separator. So the urine goes in the front if you're good. And number two, the solids go in the back. It's hard to see with the lighting in here, but there's a bag in there. There's wood chips that you can put in there if you're going to be out here long term. And then everything just dumps. There's your basket with a black, extra thick plastic bag. And then there's a tank down there for the urine. Everything else is just stored over here on the side. And that's that. That was a $35 find on the Facebook. And I believe the kit, the diverter kit, was about $90, which is a little steep for 2 pieces of plastic, but it gets the job done. There's no electricity out here, so for lighting, these aren't very bright during the day, but these are those, you know, those Harbor Freight barrel lights. Just pull them down, and believe it or not, those two things at night absolutely light up this whole shed. All in, I think I'm under $2,000 for this whole setup. The shed was about $1,500 delivered. The guy dropped it exactly where I wanted it to be. This wet bar was a couple $100, and then all the various stuff I picked up at garage sales and various places around town. So you can get in, you know, once you have your property and get something like this relatively affordably. Hey, let's keep in touch online. I'm outdoors at Billy Kid over on the Facebook and the Instagram, and I will see you in the next video.